Hello, my name is Qaseh. Today, me, Qiao, Natalie, and Joey will be talking about recycled paper.
Thailand, a Chinese man born in 50 to 62 CE, he is traditionally regarded as the inventor of paper and modern paper-making process. Although early forms of paper had existed since 3rd century BCE, Thailand occupies a vital place in the history of paper due to his addition of tree bark and hemp ends, which resulted in a large-scale manufacture and rapid spread of paper.
To start, cut your paper into small pieces. Next, put them into a blender with warm water. Blend until the mixture becomes a fairly smooth pulp. If you want, you can add decorations such as dried flowers or grass or even a splash of paint. Next, get a glass dish bigger than the size of paper you're going to make and lay a mesh bag above it or anything that contains holes and can filter water. Now, lay a paper towel above it. Use a sponge to absorb the water from the pulp. When doing so, squeeze the water from the sponge into another container. Now, remove your paper towel. Afterwards, flip your mesh bag over to reveal your paper. And then leave it out in the sun to dry, or you could use a blow dryer to finish the process faster. Finally, when it's dry, remove your paper from the bottom piece of paper and use a heavy book such as a math textbook to flatten the paper. And there, your paper is done. This is our demonstrator, Joey's final product. Wow, so many colors! You may be wondering how those little scraps of paper stuck together again to make a whole new sheet of paper. Paper is made of fibers that come from wood. Cellulose fibers are slightly sticky, so they help paper hold together. In fact, cellulose is used in many types of glue. You recycled old paper by blending them up into tiny pieces. Those pieces of paper were made of cellulose fibers. The warm water you added made the cellulose sticky again. And then, you pressed your new sheet of paper with a sponge, so the fibers get matted down and tangled together. Then they stuck to each other as they dried into a new sheet of paper.